Do you know about the upcoming launch of Apple's Vision Pro? Picture this, a device that blends the boundaries of your physical world with the digital, creating a seamless fusion of augmented reality and virtual entertainment. This is Apple's Vision Pro, their first stride into the world of mixed reality, or as Apple prefers, spatial computing. A product of over a decade's worth of development, the Vision Pro is designed to superimpose augmented reality content onto your surroundings, while also providing an immersive virtual experience for entertainment and gaming. It's an ambitious step, bringing the future of technology to the present. Now let's delve into the features of this cutting-edge technology. Starting at a whopping $3,499, the Vision Pro is packed with an array of sophisticated technologies. This wearable headset device is a marvel of modern engineering, boasting two micro OLED displays that deliver over 4K resolution to each eye. It's like having a personal IMAX theater right on your face. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Vision Pro also features an external display called Eyesight. This clever piece of tech projects an image of your eyes, so others can tell whether you're fully immersed in a virtual world or still aware of your surroundings. Now let's talk about accessibility. Apple has thoughtfully considered glasses wearers in the design of Vision Pro. Custom prescription Zeiss optical inserts can be easily attached to the headset's lenses, and optional readers will be available for a mere $99. It's clear that Apple wants to ensure everyone can enjoy the Vision Pro experience, regardless of their visual needs. The device is equipped with an array of sensors and cameras, which are used for monitoring hand gestures and mapping the external environment. Speakers are conveniently located on either side of the headset, delivering an immersive audio experience to match the stunning visuals. Powering all these features are not one but two processors. The M2 processor handles the heavy lifting, while a separate R1 processor is dedicated to processing information coming from the sensors. And to support all this processing power, Vision Pro comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and at least 256 gigabytes of onboard storage. Rumor has it that Apple may offer models with up to 1 terabyte of storage, but this hasn't been officially confirmed. And don't worry about running out of juice midway through your favorite game or movie. An external battery pack is included in the box, ensuring that your Vision Pro experience isn't cut short. With these features, Vision Pro promises to be a game changer in the world of spatial computing. This is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see where Apple takes us next in this brave new world of mixed reality. As we wait for the official launch on February 2nd, let's talk about what you need to know about pre-ordering the Vision Pro. This new venture into the world of spatial computing by Apple is certainly creating a buzz, but with anticipation comes the reality that you may need to act fast to secure your own Vision Pro. Apple has a game plan, with an initial production run of between 60,000 and 80,000 Vision Pro units slated for the launch. This might sound like a lot, but considering the global appeal of Apple products, this is a relatively small shipment. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the Vision Pro will sell out soon after release. So if you're looking to be one of the first to own this pioneering piece of tech, you need to be ready to hit that pre-order button. Currently, orders are limited to the United States. But don't fret if you're tuning in from outside the US. Apple is set to take this innovative piece of technology global. The Vision Pro headset is expected to be launched outside the US before the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC 2024, which is set to happen in June. The first two countries tipped to get the Vision Pro after the US are Canada and the United Kingdom. So if you're planning on getting your hands on one of these, make sure you're ready to act fast. With limited initial production and high demand, you'll want to ensure you're ahead of the game. The world of spatial computing is upon us, and the Vision Pro is your ticket in. To recap, the Apple Vision Pro is a leap into the future of spatial computing. This groundbreaking device, a decade in the making, is Apple's first venture into the realm of mixed reality. With its ability to superimpose augmented reality content onto the real world and offer completely virtual content, the Vision Pro opens up new frontiers in entertainment and gaming experiences. Price starting at $3,499, this wearable headset comes equipped with two micro OLED displays. These offer over 4K resolution to each eye, providing an unmatched viewing experience. The Eyesight external display is another unique feature, projecting an image of your eyes to let others know whether you're immersed in the virtual world or aware of your surroundings. For those who wear glasses, Apple offers custom prescription Zeiss optical inserts and optional readers. The Vision Pro is more than just a viewing device. It boasts an array of sensors and cameras for monitoring hand gestures and mapping the external environment. With speakers on either side of the headset and powered by an M2 processor and a separate R1 processor, the Vision Pro is a powerhouse of technology. It also comes with a minimum of 256 GB of onboard storage and 16 GB of RAM. Pre-ordering for the Vision Pro is set to be a competitive affair. With Apple planning to produce between 60,000 and 80,000 units for its February 2nd launch, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the Vision Pro will sell out soon after release. Currently, orders are limited to the United States, but we expect the Vision Pro to be launched in other countries before June's WWDC 2024. Stay tuned for the official launch on February 2nd, and don't miss your chance to be among the first to experience this revolutionary device. That's all we have for today about the Apple Vision Pro. This cutting-edge device is set to revolutionize the world of mixed reality, with its state-of-the-art features and game-changing technology. But what do you think? Is the Vision Pro the future of spatial computing? Or is it just another high-tech gadget with a hefty price tag? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video informative and engaging, show us some love by hitting that like button. It lets us know that we're on the right track and helps other tech enthusiasts like you find our content. And if you have any thoughts, opinions, or questions about the Apple Vision Pro, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. We always appreciate hearing from you and strive to foster a community where everyone's voice can be heard. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we drop new content. From the latest tech news to in-depth reviews, how-to guides, and beyond, we've got you covered on all things tech. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, and staying informed is the first step towards making the most of these digital advancements. So join us on this exciting journey into the future of tech. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.